See, it looks like this goes on top of your head. What's up, guys? Today we're in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin at Fondy Aqua Park.
I think I lost a couple pounds putting on this wetsuit.
Me too.
Seriously, a little winter fluff.
But today we are coming out here to this water park. There's usually a lot of those wibbits, these floating things out here. There's a bunch of anchors, ropes. I got to go down and get some of the chains and hook them up to some buoys. Then there's a slide over there. There's all kinds of spots where people lose the property. I don't think anybody's losing their mind here, maybe except for Christie today.
Just trying to get in the wetsuit again.
But we're sweating. Let's get in the water. Let's get it. Oh. There's someone's phone in a case. Found some of these aqua shoes. Go. What's that? Did you find any frogs, honey?
One frog. But I did see a funky looking fish. I was like, how are you doing?
Was it me?
No.
I got something special for you. See, it looks like this goes on top of your head.
For all those people that say I like big hair.
Does it go like that?
Yeah.
Here we got Bob Doyster, and he's an owner-operator for Fondy Aqua Park and the Sports Park, right?
Correct. Aqua Park will open on Memorial Day weekend. Given good weather, I'm sure people will be showing up. Everybody's dying to get in the water for the summer. And the Sports Park up and at them already. Usually we open that April 1st every year. So come on out, go-karts, mini golf, all those kind of activities are open and available right now. Come to have fun, you know, that's what we do. That's our jobs, is to help people have fun. Bring a smile, bring a good attitude, and boy, there's swimming, and again, the land activities.
What should people not wear into the water here?
Well, we discourage footwear. It kind of mars our inflatables. Any kind of jewelry, anything like that. Keep your phones on dry land, please. Sunglasses, you won't believe how many they found today. N5820 County Road D as in dog, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.
I didn't find this, but this is the most spectacular thing I think you've ever found. I'm gonna wear this to the draft. Luscious locks.
Yeah, the 70s called. They want their hair back.
Right. They want their weave back. And Shelly seriously found that. Little frog. Golf balls, the little wibbit things, a ton of sunglasses. How many did you count?
46.5 sunglasses, 16 of these little swimming goggles, 19 of the masks.
2 cell phones, and this was in a little plastic case. Someone will be very happy. Apple Watch.
Apple Watch. There's $10.
$10.
And it's kind of falling apart there.
There's not only one beehive nest, there's 2. I don't know which one's worse.
They're both pretty nasty.
And I think the person who was wearing it was wearing these too. Who wears that in the water? What is this?
Wow.
Oh, and a paddle. But a lot of fun stuff, and it was gorgeous out. We had a great day. It was good to be back in the water. It only took a little while to get in this suit.
Any words of advice for people coming out to the Fondy Aqua Park here?
Don't wear your cell phones. Don't bring your cell phones, and obviously don't wear your sunglasses. For somebody that always wears sunglasses, it's probably not a good idea. And there's a really nice designer pair of coats. They're prescription glasses.
And take off your earrings.
Your earrings, your necklaces, all your jewelry, your hair weaves. You don't want to lose those, because I'm going to end up wearing them. It's on video.
Oops.
A huge thanks to Bob and Mike from Fondy Sports and Aqua Park for helping us out and get us situated. After that, we went and saw Charlie Barons interview some Packer players, got a nice selfie with him, watched Third Eye Blind, and met some other really cool people. What a fun day and night.